Morning friends, today in another YouTube video we'll talk about how to convert exe file into an APK file in just few simple steps. So first of all, you subscribe our channel YouTube Tech Nerds for more latest updates, and hit a like there if you have find no difficulty in understanding our video. Say it by commenting on our video. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to Play Store and download the app name Android Zip. After that, open it, then the file you want to choose, you choose that file. Like I want the I choose from my downloads. Here I choose and create tar. It's created. Then you have to go to Play Store and search the app Rare. After this, you have to download it, and then you open it. After opening it, you go to the folder which you've selected for copying to an APK file. I've copied the download folder. So after going in that, you go say tar. I've converted recently 2 files before making this video once for trial, and see the new one which I've converted just right now. And then here comes your tar. Now open it. Tar is made successfully. So this here's present our video, and if you have, as I recently told you, if you have liked our video, please hit a like there, and don't forget to subscribe our channel YouTube Tech Nerds.